This would be the piston.
You want to try to pick it up?
Yeah. How heavy can this be?
Try to pick it up, see what it's like. It's not crazy.
So how deep a hole did you dig for the pipe?
Essentially, you're digging the hole to be able to get to the bottom of the foundation, which is called the footing. So the bracket is already down there. So essentially what we're doing is sliding each of these pipes in through the back end of the bracket. So that's the bracket. The way I explain it to my customers is it's kind of like a chair for your foundation. So you slide that in there, foundation just sits on that. And then from there, we send all the pipe. We will add another pipe in a second, but first we need to get that pipe all the way down. Then we use this, which is called a sending tube, to send that pipe the rest of the way.
Got it. And then you'll pull the sending tube out.
Exactly, and then add pipe after.
Yep.
All right, back up. Good. And that's it.
Yep.
Yeah, you go up. And then from here, just repeat the process by adding a pipe.
Yep.
And do the same thing over and over. All right, I'll let you get in here.
This way?
Yes, sir.
That looks good.
So now what I need you to do is pull this towards you.
Okay.
Go ahead.
How did he get the plum job? He's just turning a knob. That's just
Well, he gets
the
to
dream
dig
job.
a lot of that, so he gets the easy work for now.
When do you start taking pressure checks?
He's already looking at it there, so he'll be able to tell us when we're at pressure. It's on that gauge right there at the front.
What's the pressure now?
When you push it, it's 1,000.
Okay.
You got some more to go.
Before that pipe, we got to send that one the rest of the way with the sending tube.
That's the sound of my soul. Now, if I were a betting guy, I'd say there's another pipe going to go in there.
You would be making a lot of money right now.
You're starting to get the idea, right? The pipe goes in, sending pipe goes on, pipe goes down, some adjustments, some banging, goes up again, sending pipe comes out, another pipe goes on, more banging, some cursing, a couple of laughs because the sense of humor is important.
Oh yeah.
Right. And bonds form and a house is saved and they all lived happily ever after.
100%.
For foundation repair, go to groundworks.com/Rowe. And subscribe for more Go Below with Rowe content every week.